Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very much a spur of the moment video. Nothing was planned. There is a little bit of a twist in the video, so if you would like to see this video, please keep watching. So this is my big delivery, and you can see how enormous it is. I'm going to turn the camera around and hold it up to myself so you can get an idea of how big it actually is. Okay, so to give you a perspective of how big this box actually is, I'm just going to hold it up to here. And you can see it's huge, it's massive. I've got no idea what she has sent me in here, so let's just get it ripped open and see what's inside. Okay, I've sat as far back from the camera as I possibly can. So let's just get this open right now. Oh wow, it's a really big season's greetings box. Look at this. Thank you so much, Chanel. Let's see what's inside. I think my nieces are coming in the house. In fact, I can hear them. I am filming a huge unboxing. Are you coming in? You have to decide I'm recording. Are you coming in? Why don't you just come in and join me? No, come on in. My nieces have just arrived. So come on, girls, come in and help me unbox this. Please. Come on, you're here now. This is just all spur of the moment.
Okay, let me take my jacket off.
They're going to take their jackets off and then they're going to come in. Look, Radia. It's huge, isn't it?
That is so big.
It's massive. You girls know Barleon that I follow on Instagram, don't you? It's the girl that's got the nail salon down in London.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she sent me this box of goodies up.
Oh.
So come.
It's gonna have good stuff in it.
It's going to have amazing stuff in
Yeah.
it, Rabia, you're so right. Come in,
Oh.
don't be shy. They don't want to come in. Oh my goodness, look, here comes Safia, my gorgeous niece Safia. We're twinning today. Rabia, you coming in? Right, Rabia and Faika?
No.
No, right, the girls, my other nieces are just going to sit and watch. Safia's the gallus one, she's going to help me unbox this. Shall we just open it up now?
Yeah, let's.
I'm so excited, by the way, honestly, like I've been dying all morning to open this up. Oh my goodness me!
Oh, we have this. This is
Do you
really,
have
really
this?
good. It's so good.
We have got, oh my goodness, it's Style Pro! I know
Yeah.
exactly what it is.
That's amazing,
It's Style
Auntie. You'll
Pro.
love it.
Will I?
Yeah.
This is for cleaning your makeup brushes. Clean, dry in seconds. Thank you so much, Chanel. That is gorgeous. Thank you. I've always wanted to try that. See
It's
people
really
putting
good.
their- You've
Yeah.
got it then?
Mhm.
Excellent. So recommended by the girls. Absolutely fabulous. So we've now got a peel off strip gel starter kit.
Oh.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
You can come and do my nails because
I
you're the
will.
nail expert
Yeah.
in the family. Let's open this up and see what's inside it actually. Let's just get it open. Let's see. Right, you open that and I'll have a look and see what else is in here. So Arwa Lashes by Shazia Khan. I think this is an independent brand by Shazia. I'm sure that she is a makeup artist that has launched into doing lashes. Thank you so much, Chanel. These are lovely. Thank you. Oh, and I've got a wee thank you card. Dear Polly, thank you for all your support. I'm so happy we connected on Instagram.
Aww.
I look forward to one day meeting you in person. I hope you like your goodies. Lots of love, Chanel.
Oh, that's
Thank
so
you.
nice.
That's so cute, isn't
That's
it?
lovely.
I like how I've got bystanders.
Yeah.
And a wee card. I will open that shortly. Look what we've got.
Impressed.
Whose favourite nails are these? Davia's. Davia loves these nails.
Oh, it's
Even
a
though we
wee
can't see.
UV lamp.
Oh, lovely.
And
oh, right,
a
okay,
wee
for
polishes.
like doing shellac,
Gel, yeah.
shellac nails. And we've got some more nails from Kiss. And we've got some Eyelure. Nails from Eyelure. And we've got some Moon Dust Urban Decay.
Ooh.
Ooh. Let's open this up. I think this is an eyeshadow palette. If I can open it. It will come out, I promise you.
That's cool.
Okay. This matches my nails.
It
I
does.
can't get it out. Oh, let's try and get it out. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Right, Safia. Your nails. And we've also got something from Morphe. Oh, that's a really nice shade, isn't it?
That's lovely.
Pigment pressed. this shade here.
It doesn't want to come out.
It doesn't, does it? It's like,
Other side, maybe.
let me get this open. Why is packaging so hard to open these days? Like, if I open this, I'm going to end up ripping it. Yeah.
Got it! Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
That's
Zabby, that's
lovely.
your favourite colour.
Is it purple?
It's purpley
Oh,
lilac.
that's lovely.
It's all sparkling.
That's so
pretty, isn't
nice.
it? That is lovely. Look at this. How gorgeous is
shimmery.
that? It is so shimmery. That's lovely. I like this Morphe one. Is it Morphe or Morse? What do you say?
I don't know. I think we usually say Morphe, don't we?
Morphe, it's Morphe. Look at that.
That's so pretty.
It's really, oh, look at that.
That's lovely.
Oh, wow.
That's so nice.
That is really, really nice. And we have
More
some
nails.
Ardell nails. Cream Ardell nails. I wonder if these are glue-on ones or press-on. They're really nice colour though, aren't
They're
they?
lovely colour.
I like them. Sort of a
Nice.
burgundy, sort of maroon coloured nails. And we have Laura Geller. Ooh, I've always wanted to try something from Laura Geller makeup. What have we got? We have got
Illuminating drops.
oh, illuminating drops. Fabulous. There's sort of like a golden hue
In the shade
drops.
Ballerina.
Oh, ballerina, that's cute.
That is cute.
That is cute. I like them. They're lovely. And we've also got some.
Kat Von D.
This is the Glimmer Veil. Let's see what this is. Is it mascara, do you think?
I don't know. It might be lips. Oh wow.
Oh, is it lips or
Is it lips or eyes?
Is it lips? I think it might be
Liquid
like
lipstick.
liquid lipstick.
But you could use it.
Oh, yeah, you could use on your eyes. Remember the last time we had a liquid lipstick? What happened?
Yeah.
It went all over the
new
carpet.
carpet.
It was like only a day old as well. And in here we have, oh look, this is a wee ring. I think this is one of the designs that Chanel makes. I know that she's got her own jewellery company. That is gorgeous.
That
Thank
looks
you so
lovely
much.
on Auntie.
That is lovely, isn't it? Nice little rose quartz stone.
Yeah.
Thank you. And oh my god,
What's
I've
this?
always wanted one of these. It's one of her t-shirts from her salon. Look, you see it, you're going to love this, by the way, Zavia. It's a princess t-shirt.
Oh, no.
Because you're our princess.
Oh, that's
Oh,
so
that is
cute.
Isn't that lovely?
Oh, that's
That's
nice.
the t-shirts that her staff
I
wear in
like
her
this.
salon.
I like the
Lovely, isn't
logo.
it?
Yeah.
So when I do my nails
Oh, that's so nice.
with this,
Yeah.
I can wear this
Put your
t-shirt.
eyelashes on,
Put
clean
my
your
lashes
brushes.
on, clean my brushes. You can do my nails.
Yeah. Oh, I like that. That's so
It's
cute.
lovely, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
that's
actually very
nice.
cute. It's very Sophia. Yeah.
Nice and
Sophia
pink.
likes pink. She's a pink,
Pink and
girl in our
princessy.
family. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed the surprise of my niece Sophia coming to join me in her twin jumper. Till the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. And bye from Ravi and Faika. They're hiding in the background. Bye.
Oh, that was funny.